Hey, welcome back to your favorite technical mathematics class. We're going to talk about the metric system a little more today, get familiar with that, some metric prefixes and things. So let's start out here. Just kind of a commentary. We use the traditional customary system of measurement as well as the metric. I don't know why we're one of the few developed countries that uses it. The metric system's much more easily used. So if you notice right here, you've got your, oh shoot, I get my, if you're converting feet to, or sorry, miles to inches, you've got these awkward 5,280 and 12 inches per foot. Whereas in the metric system, it's all powers of 10. If you're going kilometers to centimeters, well, there's 1,000 meters a kilometer, 10 to the third. You've got 100 centimeters in a meter, 10 squared, right? So it's just really easy. You can do it in your head. 3 times 1,000 times 100, 300,000. Here's some metric prefixes. So we're gonna refer back to this page here in a minute, so in just a second. So you've got tera, you got the capital T there, and so on. So we come back to that. Here's some lengths and symbols for the metric and U.S. customary units as well. So in the assignment that you're gonna have questions like this. What's the symbol for a nano ampere? Nano ampere. So you just go back to this here and you say, well, let's see. Let me look for that nano. It looks like that nano, second to the bottom there, has got a lowercase n on it. So you just say nano ampere, and it's a capital A, by the way, for an ampere. Okay, next one, megavolt. Megavolt. You look for the mega, and you see it's third down from the top, capital M. So megavolt, and a V is a capital V, by the way. So capital M for the mega, and capital V for volt. Sorry. Next one, rewrite the given quantity so that all numbers are between 1 and 10. Use the proper metric symbol for the given unit. So what you want to do here is you want to be able to read this. So if you remember the first one after the first zero there after the decimal is tenths, then it goes hundredths, thousandths is the third one, 10 thousandths, 100 thousandths, millionths. So this is 9 millionths grams. 9 millionths of a gram. Okay. So what we're looking for is a millionth is the key here. The 9 millionths. We're taking the 9 and we're divided by a million here. So we're looking back here. Go back to here. And if you see right here, you've got millionth. Okay, so it's taking the 9, dividing it by a million. See, 9 dividing by 10 to the 6th, if you will. You see the 0.000001 there for millions. So we're going to use this symbol right here. That's called mu, by the way. That's a micro. Micro. So we're just naming this. That's 9 micro, and then a G, lowercase g for gram. Micro. Okay. So that's your 10 to the 6th on the bottom right there. So 9 micrograms. So you just use that table consistently. Here's another one here. We got 7. It looks like we got billion meters, right? 7 billion meters. Just read that. So it's like 7 times a billion, if you will. We're going to go back. We're going to look at this again. We're looking for the billion, and it looks like that's the giga, right? You see the giga right there, capital G. And this is in your book, by the way. You can look on the ebook if you want as well. Giga, for a little bit better blown up. I had a hard time pulling this up. So giga meter. Let me go back here. So 7 giga. So 7 billion meters is the same thing as saying 7 gigameters. If you want to go to gigameters. Okay, let's do one more here. Sides of a rectangle given in feet. Sides of a rectangle are given in feet. What is the symbol for the units of area of the rectangle? Well, if you remember, if you're going, length times width to find the area, and let's say this is like, I don't know, 3, and that's like 2, then we just go 3 feet times 2 feet, and we would have 6 feet times feet, square feet. All they're asking for is the square feet on that. What's your units for the area? Because you're going feet times feet, square feet. Well, that's it for this section. We'll see you guys soon.